How to delete your BlueSky account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete our BlueSky account without any delay. Let's start the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your BlueSky account, these are the process you need to follow in order to do so. First of all, launch your BlueSky application. After that, you'll be able to see the BlueSky dashboard on your screen. You just need to head over the menu bar at the top left. After heading over there, you'll be finding different options like search, home, chat, and bunch of other options. You're just gonna look out for the option called settings on your screen. After going there, you can find different kind of options here as well. You're just gonna look out for the option called account. After going there, you'll be finding here also different kind of options like email, birthday, password, handle, and different other options. But since we're deleting your account, we're just gonna look out for the option called delete account, which is on the last. Just click on it. After that, you need to tap on the send email, and you'll be receiving a 6-digit verification code on your email that is associated with your BlueSky account. After that, just type in your 6-digit code. After that, just go on with the process of deleting your account, and your account should be deleted very easily. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to delete your account. I think if you try to log in into your account before 30 days, your account will be recovered. But if you don't log in before 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to delete your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.